Mentakasngi ukon rat ke sangma Myntri Rangbah ke jylla ulahir Shanong Pendeng ban Plie ya mawnongrim jong ke Singh Memorial Higher Secondary School na ke banta bantai ya ke building ke becamai hakani kasngi shwa ban Plie ya mawnongrim lapenlong ya ke jingelang ha compound jong ke tega school ha ke balai don lang uma lakmen rembui Myntri ke tanat puli puti ke jylla ubalong usimbut kongsan uba Macmillan Bersat MLA ke Nongstoin ki he sarkar ki nong hikai ki kena school bagi Rangbah jong kathany ya ke jingelang lapanya dauba PD sangma Deputy Commissioner ke West Coast Hills District batlayo ya ke jingkren na UMLA uma lakmen rembui bat khaddo ya ke jingkren na Myntri Rangbah ubalong ukongsan khaddo layo ban Plie yo mawnongrim jong ke tege school ban satei thumai ha ke tei ke jaka.
It's going to be part of this program simply because this program has and this project has been something that's been really close to our hearts, especially to our Honorable Education Minister and also the Honorable MLA of Nongstoin constituency, who have been very, very particular that this extension building project must happen at the earliest. So at the very outset, I would like to thank the Education Minister, who is leading the department, a very difficult sector to lead, and yet he is doing a very wonderful job at ensuring that we're able to take education forward. And would like to thank especially our Honorable MLA, who has been persistent and relentless, I should say, in ensuring that this project went through. So therefore, I must congratulate and thank both of them for all their efforts.
That the Chief Minister has provided sanction so that this school could be built for the benefit of the student. We know that the student here, about 800 students are studying in this school, and this school have about 30 teaching staff. The student to teachers ratio is very good. It is below. And when I see the result of the schools also, it is quite encouraging. Last year, the percentage of pass in the arts is 10%. The result for SSLC, 90%. This is, I must commend the teachers for your effort to give the best to the student. Thank you, our Honorable Chief Minister, Conrad K. Sangma, for upliftment of the state, be in economic, educational, health, communication, and everything. It is because of him, his farsightedness, that we could see that everywhere, not only Nongstoin, that things are happening, things are moving, and things are being experienced by each one of us. Be the farmer, be the traders, be the entrepreneur, be the anybody.